To check if your Crypto.com account is verified, follow these steps. First, log into your Crypto.com account using your email address and password. Once you are logged in, click on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to your account dashboard. Next, click on the settings icon, which is usually represented by a gear or cog icon. This will take you to the account settings page. Scroll down to the verification section, which is usually labeled as Know Your Customer or KYC. In this section, you will see the status of your verification. If your account is verified, it will be indicated as verified or approved. If it is not verified, it will be indicated as pending or not verified. If your account is not verified, you will need to complete the verification process by providing the required documents, such as a government-issued ID and proof of address. You can upload these documents directly to the Crypto.com platform. After uploading the required documents, your account will be reviewed and verified by the Crypto.com team. This process usually takes a few minutes to a few hours, depending on the volume of requests. Once your account is verified, you will receive an email notification from Crypto.com. You can then log into your account and check the verification status again to confirm that it has been verified. It is essential to note that verification is a one-time process, and once your account is verified, you will not need to verify it again. However, Crypto.com may request additional documentation or information in certain circumstances, such as if you change your address or want to increase your account limits. In summary, to check if your Crypto.com account is verified, log into your account, go to the settings page, and check the verification section. If your account is not verified, complete the verification process by providing the required documents, and wait for the Crypto.com team to review and verify your account.